Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's class. Today, we'll be looking at the topic number system. At the end of the lesson, I expect each and every one of you here to identify and define some number system to solve problems involving number system. The number system is the collection of numbers together with operations on those numbers and the properties that their operation satisfies. Types. We have the decimal system, binary system, octal system, hexadecimal system at this level. The decimal system. The decimal system of number is a number system to the base 10, and it consists of the following digits, 0 to 9. We have example, have to write number in base 10. Sometimes it can be written as 2, 3, 4, base 10. Can see where the 10 is. If you write 2, 3, 4, 10, this is not in base 10. If you write 2, 3, 4, 10, this is not how to write number in base 10. That has to be a subscript. Place values and phase values. This is the position of any digit in the number system to any base. So the place value, take for instance, we have a number 5, 6, 7, 9 in base 10. In base 10. Now the first, we have 4 digits here. The first digit is 5. If you're talking about phase and place value, the phase value, let's call this one the phase value of this number, base 10. The first number is 5, the phase value of 5 is 5. Second number 6, the phase value is 6. Third number 7, the phase value is 7. 9, the first value is 9. Now, when we talk about the place value, remember we say this is in base 10, and we say the number in base 10 starts from 0 to 9. So when we are arranging the numbers now, you have to start from the last 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, since the operation is in base 10, this means our 5, the first digit, we're going to multiply by the base power 10, because the operation is in base 10. So 5 times 10 raised power 2 is the place value of 5. That gives you 5 times 10 raised power 3, which is equivalent to 10 times 5 times 1000. That gives you 5000. So the place value of 5 is 5000. The phase value of 5 is 5. So the phase value of 6 is 6. Now the place value of 6 times 10 raised power 2. That gives you 6 times 10 raised power 2 is equivalent to 10 raised power 2 is 100. 100 times 6 give you 600. So the place value of 6 is 600. 7 times 10 raised power 1. 10 raised power 1 is 10. 7 times 10 give you 70. So the place value of 7 is 70. Then 9 times 10 raised power 0. Any number raised power 0, remember, is 1. So 1 times 9, it gives you 9. So the place value of 9 is 9. So this is how to state place value and phase value. Example, write each of the following decimal number using the expanded notation and find the phase and place values of each digit. Expanded notation. If you have to write number in expanded notation, remember the number that are in base. Don't say decimal number. Underneath for number decimal systems, decimal number. So decimal number is in base 10, it means those numbers are in base 10. The minimum necessary write is here from the equation. When you see this, I tell you that they are in base 10. So to expand this, the first number is 7 times, since it's in base 10, you say times 10, and we have 0, 1, 2, 3. 7 is carrying the power of 3. That's what I think the operation is in base 10. The next digit is going to be plus 3 times 10 raised to the power 2 plus 4 times 10 raised to the power 1 plus 5 times 10 raised to the power 0. That is the expansion. You have expanded this. Now the B, we have 0, 1, 2. Now going to the right after decimal point, going to be -1, there is no 0, -1, -2, -3. So the expansion of this, the B, it gives you 2 times 10 raised to the power of 2 plus 5 times 10 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 10 raised to the power of 0 plus 8 times 10 raised to the power of -1 plus 7 times 10 raised to the power of -2 plus 2 times 10 raised to the power of -3. So that is the expansion of this. Now the first number, the next question I say you should find the phase and the place values of each digit. Phase value we have place value. Now the first digit 7345 7345 7345. Now the place value 7 times 10 raised to the power 3, we say it give you what? 7,000, and 3 times 10 raised to the power of 2 give me 300. 4 times 10 raised to the power of 1 give me 40. And then 5 times 10 raised to the power of 0 give me 5. So that is the place value and phase value of the A. When the B, the phase value, and we have the place value. So the digits we have 251782, 251782. Now the place value of this 0, 1 to give you 200. So I give me 50. So I give me 1. So I give me 7. That is 7 times 10 raised to the power -1, the same thing as 7 over 10. And this one is 8 times 10 raised to the power -2 give me 8 over 100. And 2 times 10 raised to the power -3 give me 2 over 1000. Addition and subtraction of decimal number. Addition and subtraction of decimal number. Evaluate each of the following in base 10. Evaluate each of the following in base 10. We have 8, 4, 9, 3, 6, 5, 6, 4, 9, 2. Solution. Solution A of 8, 4, 9, 3, 6. And we have 2, 9, 4, 6, 5. Remember, we're doing have to put operation sign to know what you're using. Now the number is in base 10. You have to write your 10 here. Now, additions from your primary school, we know that they start from the right hand side. So now, since the number is in base 10, you add the column by column. Now, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 2 is not up to 10. So write down your 8. 3 plus 9 is 12. Now 12 is excess. So divide 12 by 10, it gives you 1, remainder 2. So you write down the remainder, pick the number 1 to the next column, it gives you 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 divided 10, give you 1, remainder 4. Write down 4, pick 1, give you 5 plus 6, 11. Divide this, 1, remainder 1. Write down 1, pick 1 today, it give you 9 plus this, 14. Divide this, it give you 4, remainder 1. So nothing to add again, you got down your 1. Your answer, remember, is in base 10. Now the B. Still the same pattern. 6, 3, 6, 4, 2.81. We're having 4, 7, 3, 8.92. And the third one is 4, 8, 9, 2.36, all in base 10. Now for you to do this, first add the first 2 columns, then the result will be added to the third column. This and this. We have 3, 6, 4, 2.81. They have 2, 9.8374. Now add it together in base 10. This plus this is 3, it's not up to 10, write down 3. This plus this 17. 7 carry 1, remember a point. This plus this is 11, write down 1, pick 1. Give you 8, no remainder. This one give you 13. Then 3, pick 1. So this plus this will give you 8. Now bring down this to add it to this. Give you 4, 8, 9, 2.36. The addition is in base 10. This one give you 9. This plus is 10. 0 carry 1 point. Give you 4 when you add everything. 7. That is 17. 7 carry 1. 4 plus 8. 12. 2 carry 1. Plus this 13. 3 carry 1. Drop to 1. So that is the answer to this addition.